Well, good afternoon. The vast majority of our students will be heading back to the classroom today and over the coming weeks. As a father of 4 daughters, I remember sending them off for the first day of school, and I know that there's a lot of excitement, and I know the kids can be a little nervous. But I also know that it's a good thing our kids are getting back to school where they belong. And we all know that this school year will be different. But by working together, we will keep our children, teachers, and education workers safe. Across the province, there are incredible principals, teachers, EAs, admin staff, custodians, directors of education, medical experts, public health nurses, and many, many others. A whole army of people who have gone above and beyond to make classrooms safe for the return to school. I saw it with my own eyes during the school tour last week. These people are absolute champions. So I want to thank all the principals and teachers and education staff across the province who have stepped up and have done their part. And my friends, we have your backs. We're providing $1.3 billion in supports for schools, 625 more public health nurses, 1,300 more cleaning staff, $246 million to hire more staff, the most rigorous and comprehensive health and safety protocols in the entire country. We have also consulted with some of Ontario's top medical officials every step of the way. I know our entire team has been working around the clock over the last few weeks to get PPE delivered to all the schools. We delivered over, and these are pretty staggering numbers, we've delivered over 37 million pieces of PPE to the school boards across the province. Altogether, they have received 19.5 million masks, 16 million gloves, 317,000 face shields, 320,000 bottles of hand sanitizer, 218,000 bottles of disinfecting spray, and many, many other supplies. We're doing whatever it takes to ensure both our staff and students are safe while they're at school. And I want to say to the parents out there, you've been absolute champions as well, helping your kids with at-home learning these past few months while juggling work. We'll need your help too with a return to school. If your child is sick, please have them stay at home. If someone in your household is sick, considering getting everyone tested. Again, if you're worried you have COVID-19 or you're worried a family member has it, please go get tested and then self-isolate. My friends, the upcoming school year may be different in a lot of ways, but with all of us working together, parents, students, teachers, school boards, and all 14.5 million people in this province, will make it safe and successful. Thank you, and God bless the people of Ontario. Now I'll hand it over to Minister Elliott.
Thank you, Premier, and good afternoon, everyone. As we've said many times since the outset of this global pandemic, nothing is more important than protecting the health and well-being of all Ontarians, including and especially our most vulnerable. Together, we've made remarkable progress in our fight against COVID-19. We have successfully avoided the worst seen in other parts of the world. This progress has only been possible because Ontarians have demonstrated incredible resolve. You've worked incredibly hard to limit the spread of COVID-19. But as much as these efforts have made an impact and enabled us as a province to move into stage 3 of reopening, the latest trends in numbers have raised some concern, especially as we begin to reopen schools and post-secondary institutions. That is why, based on the advice from the Chief Medical Officer of Health and the Public Health Measures Table, we will be taking a pause of 4 weeks, or two-week cycles of the virus, before considering any further loosening of public health measures or further reopening of businesses, facilities, and organizations. We did not make this decision lightly. Ontario's business leaders have shown incredible ingenuity and innovation in keeping our public safe. However, we do need to ensure that the progress we've made is not lost.